Please subscribe and ring the bell.
Okay, now that we have our Maker 3 out of the box and we are now ready to get on our computer or phone or iPad and get this set up. So you want to open up your search engine. Then you want to go to the top and you want to search cricut.com/setup. And then what you want to do is click Agree Terms and click on Download. And it's going to download the app for you. Okay, and then you want to open the app, and then you want to make sure on an Apple, you want to make sure that the Cricut Design Space install goes to your applications. Okay, if you are a new user, then it's going to now prompt you to register, and that's going to include your name and just some information. For me, I've already had Cricuts in the past, so it's just going to open my design space that I've had. Then what you do is click on the 3 lines over here, then you say New Product Setup. Then you click on the machine, and now it's going to start getting the setup started. So first, clear 10 inches of space behind your Cricut. Then you want to plug in your cords. Now you want to plug your Maker into your device. Now once you've done these 3 steps, then you click on the Continue. And now it's going to update your app. And then you click Update. Okay, then you'll hear the Maker starting up, and then you click on Next. Then I'm registering my Cricut. Then you hit Agree and hit Register, hit Next. And then you can either start the free trial if you want, or say no thanks. And now you get to make a sticker. I'm gonna go ahead and do the mountain. We're gonna hit Next. Make sure your blade is in place. Make sure your vinyl is under the rollers. Click the flashing Load Unload button. And now it's going to start cutting.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.